What's up YouTube, Mr. Reballing is back again, and here's just wanted to share with you a quick update on my homemade DIY BGA rework station or dark infrared desoldering station. And here is the final thing. So it changed from our last video, as you can see. Here is now the controller box, which controls the top heater, the ceramic top heater, and as you can notice, we've changed our bottom heating with this new glass ceramic heater, which I got from Amazon. The top heater is now inside a reflector, infrared reflector, and is attached to a vise, a TV vise, and it is then attached to just a vise, extraction fan, fume extraction fan with a fume filter right here, so it can basically absorb the fumes. And this is just simple PID controller, and I've added an on and off button for the ceramic, and also here's another on and off for the whole machine. So let's go have a quick show you guys a quick demonstration. So I'm gonna turn my my machine on. Prepare this motherboard here, so I'm gonna position it right under the motherboard, and I've got some sort of an alignment heater too, so that's pretty much aligned. And here's my thermocouple that I'm going to place somewhere here. I'm just going to start my my bottom heater, and I have it somewhere around here to give me around 150 Celsius preheating. And look at the glow, I like this. The thing with glass ceramics is the glass helps to give it a very even temperature around for the bottom heating. It's still very basic bottom heating, and in the future I will be of course adding a PID to the bottom controller as well to have a much better preheating controls. But for now, as I said, it's just going to be a basic rework machine. So I'm going to wait for this to preheat until this goes to about 140, and I'll get back to you. Here's have a look at the temperature. Yes, it's a bit fast, but this is going to be mostly for SMD work and not really for actual reflows or rebonding of video chips and processors. But for little things, it's more than enough. Okay, so I'm getting close to our temperature. Our bottom should be around 170, and then I'm gonna set the top heater to about from 200, or let's say 190. Okay, about 200. So I set it about 200, 197. So wait for the bottom heater to stabilize there before I start my top heater. So about 175, about 180 bottom heat. Alright, once it's stabilized, I can then start my top heater, just as a push of a button to start the ceramic on and off. And there we go, we start our top heater. And top heater should take it now we set it to 197, so it should take it to 197 and stays there. Still haven't calibrated this bit though. Still not calibrated yet. It's just really stuck settings. But it's pretty okay. 210. And then we still need to get it to about, stay away about 10 seconds, and then we'll take it to about 225. It's not going to be really super precise like you would get with you know, with a proper rework machine that's cost thousands of pounds, of course. This whole setup was about £150, so you can't expect, you know, ultra accurate profile temperatures and ramp rates and accuracy. If you're into accuracy, you gotta get a proper machine. But for just like normal stuff, should be great. Plus it's silent. Well, less silent than my hot air station. It's really the fan. I could switch off the fan and it will be ultra silent. We're getting to about 215, 218 should start melting really, the solder. Just gonna give a check. Sorry, this is gonna shake a bit because so about 223. We're doing 225, about 225, which is more than enough for the solder. So let's try and pick a few stuff. There we go. Just pick this capacitor here. Let's pick. Can we pick the chip? Yep, even the chip. Can we even pick the chip up? There we go. Chip came off. Look at that. Nice and clean. What else we can pick? We can pick this crab right here. It's out of the area. Oh, it's great picking the chip. Well, so I'm gonna now switch it off. Switch off my and then switch off my preheater too. And here's the chip. It's an ATI Northbridge chip, and you can just let it cool, and then we might even inspect our BGA site, if there's any lifted pads or anything. Looks nice actually, it's perfect. There's no lifted pads. Yeah, so there you go, just a quick video here about our rear workstation. The whole thing took about 7 minutes. The entire process about 7 minutes. Preheating is a lot quicker. I mean, really quick preheating. But that will be controlled later with a separate PID in the future, so I can have better controls with preheating. But in a nutshell, if I'm doing between 150 and 170, it shouldn't really matter. It stays stable at that temperature. So thanks guys, this is the end of the video here. Phone is ringing. This is our mini BGA DIY rework station by Reballer. You can check out my website, and any questions or suggestions or anything you guys want, let me know. Email me at thereballer@gmail.com. Thanks, out.